Hi guys, it's Sharon, and today I am going to be doing a Victoria's Secret unpacking. I ordered these things. I went to the store one day and they had this like 6 for $5 deal on underwear, but they didn't have the underwear that I like my size, because I'm like the smallest size and they never have the smallest size when I go in. So I just ordered these thongs because they didn't have my size, and I only buy underwear in nude or black now because I just feel like it's more convenient than like having to see if the underwear you're wearing is gonna be okay for what you're wearing. So I just got like these cotton thongs, and my mom gave me a pair of cotton thongs and they were from Victoria's Secret and they were so good, like, but the cotton was thicker and these are like the closest thing to it that they had, and I wanted more, so I just kind of settled for these. So hopefully I love them because now I have 6 of them, so it'd just be like so unfortunate if I don't love them. But sorry, I have a cough drop in my mouth. I don't know if it's rude, but I really enjoy having a cough drop in my mouth because it makes my throat feel like soothed. And the weather's been crazy here in LA, so I just kind of, my throat has been a little iffy. And then another time, I was at the mall with my friend, and I saw that they were giving away free slippers, and I'm a sucker for those things. Like, I have a yoga mat, I have like a blanket. Like, Victoria's Secret has the best like gift incentives for shopping, so I'm always like shopping at Victoria's Secret. I have a Victoria's Secret credit card. That's like how much I shop there. And like, so they have me with the gifts, right? And I saw these slippers. They were giving away these slippers. And I saw the blue ones and I thought they were kind of like sexy because they're blue. And now that I just realized that's why I wanted the blue, I don't want these. Because I ordered the blue, but they sent me these. I feel like they go with my pink hair. But I already have pink slippers that my mom gave me that are cute. And I don't know, do you guys think these are sexy? Because I kind of like want to feel sexy sometimes when I'm like walking around home naked. And I don't like being barefoot. It makes me feel dirty, even though like my feet don't have to be clean to go in my slippers. I don't know, just being barefoot kind of makes me feel like an animal or something. Not dirty, like an animal. I don't know. So I don't know if I'll keep these or not. I kind of wish I had the blue ones. But then I don't even like blue that much. Like, I don't really go, like, for navy blue, I don't really go for that color. I think it's like one of my least favorite colors, but I still like it because it's navy blue and it's close to black. So I don't know. And then in order to get these, you had to buy like pajamas, which actually worked out perfectly because I was thinking of getting some pajamas that were like this, like silky and like breathable and comfortable. But I didn't want the pants because I don't really like wearing pants around the house. So I got these. And I think they actually look so much better. No, they're like exactly what I want, so I hope they fit well. Should I try it on for you guys? I'm like really excited about this. So I had to buy the pajamas in order to get the slippers, and it worked out really well because I was actually thinking of buying pajamas. So I'll actually try them on, I guess. Okay, so like the shirt is a little long and it kind of would almost be a dress, but I guess I could just like tuck it in. Is that weird if I'm like being casual? Okay, so I kind of feel like I look like a maid in this, but I got these to be like cute, like when if I happen to have to go throw the trash or something, I just throw this on. It's like a little moment of me trying to be conservative and like cute at the same time. Cause like I always have to look cute. It doesn't matter if I'm like, whatever I'm wearing has to be cute. Like I have no ugly clothes. People ask me how I always look good, and I only have things that make me look good. Cause it makes sense. I never thought about it, but like only keep things in or around that make you look good. Like why would you have an ugly hat? What's the point of that? Don't keep it. Get rid of it. Anyway, I'll show you guys the shorts too. I really like how they fit. They cover my butt. That's usually my issue with shorts, that they don't cover my butt, but these are like so perfect, and they just like tie right here. It's great. I'm so excited. So that's pretty much it for my Victoria's Secret unboxing and try on. I dyed my hair pink, and honestly, I couldn't even imagine pink hair. I was like, I've been seeing a lot of people with pink wigs and like the platinum wig, and I was like, I mean, I've already been platinum, so I wasn't like that interested in it, but it was like, I guess like the most dramatic thing that I've done with my hair, and I wanted to do something dramatic, so I was thinking of getting a pink wig, but then my mom was like, don't get a pink wig, like that is so fake and extra. And I was like, Mom, I'm not fake, but I'm like so extra, like I feel like that's so me. She was like, no, just do it. And I was like, but I want pink hair. And she was like, she like rolled her eyes at me. But then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do pink hair, because I haven't done pink hair in like, I mean, I had pink hair when I was like 18, but like it was like when I first went platinum, and I just did color at the end, and it was so cute, but I feel like that was so like, I was 18, you know? Now I have like roots, and I have colored pink hair, and I feel like I'm more grown up with this hair, but also I feel like a star. Like I feel like a star. I feel like a rock star, and that is like all that matters. So I'm super happy with it. I love it. If you're in LA or New York, I think they travel to New York a lot, I would definitely recommend my girls. My colorist is Jessica, and the girl who cuts my hair is Colleen, and they're both great, and I will link their info if you guys are interested. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of the stuff I bought, of my hair, just like anything you guys want to talk about. I love communicating with you guys, and even if I don't agree with what you're saying, it's kind of entertaining. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!